Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be visiting Harry Potter and we're going to be making a golden snitch chocolate cake. Our golden snitch cake is going to be rich in chocolate flavor with a tender, moist crumb and fluffy with the perfect amount of sweetness. Pretty much what chocolate dreams are made of. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about that KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in the kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alrighty, now before we get started, I say we put on the sorting hat and see if I'm still a Gryffindor, because if not, I'm gonna have to rethink my whole outfit. So let's grab this and pop you on. Okay. I am. Okay. Yes, please. No, thank you. Well, that's just rude. Oh yeah, I knew it. I get to keep my outfit on. I am so excited. You have no idea. This is pretty much good news for me. It's gonna be a perfect day and this is gonna be a perfect cake. So I say we're gonna take this off. We are gonna roll up our sleeves and we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and get started on this perfect, awesome chocolate golden snitch cake. And I'm gonna be giddy all the time because I am officially a Gryffindor. The sorting hat said so, so it's true. I get to keep my outfit. So our first step for this delicious, oh so yummy chocolate cake is to grab a mixing bowl, and to that we're gonna add in our butter and our sugar. Then we're gonna go in with our hand mixer and we're gonna begin to beat our butter and sugar together until they're both light and fluffy. I like to do this on a medium speed for about a good 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna follow that up by adding in our eggs, and our vanilla. Then we're gonna go back in with our hand mixer and beat our butter, our sugar, our eggs, and vanilla at that same medium speed for another good 1.5 to 2 minutes. Once you have those nice and incorporated, go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab another mixing bowl for our dry ingredients, and begin to add in your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt. And then we'll give those a quick little whisk. So we have our wet ingredients, we have our dry ingredients, now it's time to put them all together. So let's go ahead and we're gonna gradually add in the dry ingredients to the butter mixture while alternating with some fresh brewed coffee. Now we're gonna go in with our hand mixer on a low speed and we're gonna begin to mix our chocolate cake batter. Again, while we're incorporating our dry ingredients and our coffee, add in the last of my dry ingredient and the rest of my coffee, and just continue to mix with your hand mixer for a good solid minute, 1.5 minutes until you have a creamy, smooth chocolate cake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have perfect, so good, so delicious chocolate cake batter. Now it's time to pour this into our prepared pans. I'm gonna be using the 3D pans. I'll be sure to throw a link if you wanna check them out. They are perfect for any sphere cake needs, especially if you're making a golden snitch cake. So let's go ahead and we're gonna slowly pour this into our 3D ball pan. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop our pans in the oven and let bake for a quick 35 to 40 minutes. So our cakes have baked, they've cooled. I let them cool in the pans for about 5 to 10 minutes before inverting them out and letting them cool completely. But our cakes are baked. It smells so good in here. I cannot wait to dive in. But first, we need to decorate our golden snitch cake. So we're gonna take half of our sphere and we're gonna just level just a tiny little bit off the top so our cake doesn't wobble on the counter. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take that half, and that's gonna be the bottom of our golden snitch, and we're gonna place that on our cake turntable, and then pipe on a generous amount of our fluffy vanilla buttercream. Then we're going to go ahead and add on the top half of our sphere cake. And just like that, you have a 3D sphere cake. All that's left to do is to go back in and cover with even more of our vanilla yellow buttercream. So what I like to do here is I like to start at the bottom and gradually work my way to the top while piping in a circular motion. So we're going to let the turntable do all the work here. And we're just going to hold our piping bag steady, and we're just going to rotate and pipe in an upward motion. Now let's go ahead and smooth out this buttercream with our offset spatula. The best way is to hold your smoothing tool upright and gently pressed against your cake while rotating your cake turntable. Again, really allowing your cake turntable to do all the work here. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin to sketch out our designs for our golden snitch. So I'm going to be using a toothpick, and we're just going to gently trace out where we want to pipe our golden snitch details. Then we're going to take even more yellow buttercream, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to pipe on our buttercream all along our traced outlines for our golden snitch decorations. And lastly, of course, you can't have a golden snitch without its wings to, zip around the Quidditch field. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our parchment paper wings, and then we're gonna go ahead and just attach them to our golden snitch. And after you add your wings, you have a magical Harry Potter perfected golden snitch cake. A chocolate cake with its fudgy yet fluffy layers, and that delicious chocolate cake flavor is paired perfectly with our fluffy, smooth vanilla buttercream. Really just a simple, easy to do cake that is perfect for any Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Slytherin in your life. You should definitely make this cake. It's so good, it's so easy, and it's chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? It's like chocolate, Harry Potter. It's the perfect pair. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun making this golden snitch chocolate cake, and I found out I'm still a Gryffindor. It's definitely a win for me. If you're a fan of Harry Potter, chocolate cake, or if you're a Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, even Hufflepuff and Slytherin, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know what baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more magical Harry Potter inspired recipes, definitely be sure to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more tasty treats I've got coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Also, don't forget, if you make your own Harry Potter inspired dessert or your own 3D golden snitch cake, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get out of this cloak because it is super hot, make a glass of iced coffee, enjoy a big slice of cake, and maybe watch a Harry Potter movie. But I hope you all are having a fantastic day. And as always, I will see you on the next video very soon. Bye.